So today we are going to be talking about strategies for your actual exam day, because this day is just as important as all of your days of prepping, right? If you've studied for 6, 7 months and really put your all into it, but then the exam day gets screwed up, well, it's really not a nice place to be. So let's talk about things we can do, whatever are in our power, to make this exam day go as well as it can. Okay, so these are a few things that I have done and tried and tested on my exam day, which worked quite well for me. So these are some tips that I'm sharing with you. Okay, so we could get started. Okay, so obviously, like the prep for the exam day doesn't always begin on the exam day itself. It begins on the day before the exam. Like actually, for around at least a week before the exam, you have to start prepping your body for the exam. Okay, like you can't wake up at 12 in the morning, 12 in the afternoon every day and study all night for like 3 to 4 days before the exam, and on the exam day expect yourself to be extremely fresh at 7 in the morning. So you have to adjust your body clock accordingly. You have to get used to waking up early and sleeping on time and being mentally active in the time that your exam is going to be taken, which is usually between 8 to 4 p.m. Okay, so here I'm going to be speaking about what you need to do before the day of the main exam, or like 1 or 2 days before. One thing you need to do is wake up early, okay? Because one major thing that people face right before the day of the exam is they cannot sleep. They're really freaked out and they're really worried about how it's going to be the next day, and then they lose out on a lot of important sleep, and which affects their exam day. So to make sure that you get good sleep, you need to wake up early the day before, and you need to basically tire yourself out. So no matter how worried you're, your body still knows how to sleep by like a good time, which is around 9 p.m. or 10 p.m. Okay. So basically for me, the exam center was in another city. So I also used this time to travel. So basically, the entire stress of driving or traveling, that also helps you sleep better. But for me, the exam center was around 2 to 3 hours away, so this was feasible. But for people where they have to catch a flight, or if the exam center is around 9 to 12 hours away, then they might want to do this step 2 days before instead of one day before the exam. But yeah, traveling is a good way to ensure that you tire yourself out and sleep, because I keep stressing on this because sleeping is really important to refresh yourself before the exam. Then you need to do all in your power to make sure you're well rested. So this day before the exam is your rest day, okay? And like your really major rest day. So people who cannot live without revising the day before, I would suggest, if you have to, like if you absolutely have to, try to only revise like really memory heavy concepts. And I would also say that don't revise anything new. Like if you all use first aid or something like that, at the end you have this rapid review section. Some people would suggest to do that, but only do it if you have done it before. Try not to learn something absolutely new on the day before the exam, because our goal here is to zen out a little bit, to chill a bit. And if you learn something new, you're going to go into a spiral of worrying about whether you knew this or whether there's other stuff that you don't know, etc. So if you must, and if you really must, then just make a small notebook maybe while you're studying of very forgettable concepts, like certain things that you keep forgetting over and over again. Write them down and only read these things, okay? Don't do anything else. Don't learn anything new. Don't give a new test or nothing of the sort. Just try to relax and just do really memory heavy concepts, okay? Then, so the USMLE, the NVMe and USMLE websites, they provide this free 120 exam online, which is like a mock small 3-hour USMLE exam to orient yourself with the pattern.